great white pelicans. They've flown thousands of miles to get here, and they will spend the summer feasting on the delta's riches. To find the best fishing, they take to the air. From half a mile up, they search the entire delta, 200 miles across. They can't see individual fish from this height, so instead they look for others below that have already done so. Cormorants. They are diving deep to reach the biggest shoals, flushing them to the surface. A couple of pelicans land, and others soon home in on them. The pelicans don't join the feast directly. They mug the diners. This brutal tactic enables each pelican to catch many more fish more quickly than it would do if it worked by itself. Once the shoals of fish have been plundered and dispersed, the cormorants make their escape. And the pelican pirates fly off in search of their next meal.